Hello everyone. Today we'll be designing this basic website. Okay, so these are the few things we have here. So we'll quickly do this design so that we can move on to other courses. So for our first class, yeah, for our first class of designing this website, we're going to start with the menu. Let's work on the this is the page here. It's empty. This is the file. So let's get started. I'm going to call the event. What name? Okay, event maker. And change the name. Stick to it. Inside the body, have a div. Um, inside the div, so we can call this the class container. Everything we're going to do be inside this the menu, the header, the body, every other thing inside this div. The first thing, next thing we're going to create the head. The header, let's give it a class of Navrapa. Let's, let's create a D inside this. I'll call it a class Navrapa. So this is going to wrap the logo, the menu toggle, navbar. Going to wrap everything inside this. The first next thing we're going to create a div that is going to contain our logo. So when we have a logo, we can replace this text. Let's leave it as a text for just as have it. When we have a logo, we replace. Let's continue. Then move on to let's create our toggle. I'll call it menu. I'll give it an ID menu toggle. Have this symbol. Now AI is already making this simple for me. So let me just take it like ID. What about nav IB? So what about home? This should be category. The next one should be event maker. So let's leave the on profile page. So we'll just be left with home categories event makers. But should we include it? Let's include call the profile page. Okay. So this is our basic HTML design header. Let's put a comment for this header. Say start. This is a comment. Yeah. So let's look at what we have. Going to refresh this. So this is what we have for the menu. So this is the HTML, or let me just say this is the structure of what we want. So in our next episode, we are going to style this navbar. Next week. Watch out for the next one.